Welcome back. Now, as we said in a previous video, the easiest way to organize your animated video is to do one scene at a time and to do it based on how you read the script. So for example, I'm just going to page through the script and you're going to see the slides change. And so each one of these slides were narrated so that there is a pause between each one of these slides. So the best thing to do would be to design a scene for each slide. So we'll design a scene for this slide. Then we'll design a scene for this slide that starts with "that means." Then we'll design a scene for this slide that starts with "blindly following trends." And then we'll do that for the entire video. So let's take a look at our video software. Now you'll notice that this scene is called Market Strategically. And so that scene is represented by this slide. So that scene will actually play while this is being narrated. So we only chose one image. We only chose two words that we were going to represent. So another slide starts with "blindly following." And we've got in there mobile marketing and Google Maps. So how did we decide to depict this in our video software? Now you'll notice that we chose a mobile device, we chose Google Maps and something to represent that. And basically this scene starts out with the mobile device in the middle. It's then going to slide over and then go to the next slide, which is going to have all of the words. One of the things that you're probably seeing is that there is a lot of flexibility in terms of how you can represent each scene. But the key understanding is to design one scene at a time. So you'll see here, whether a company is doing internet marketing or television commercials, there's a certain structure that all successful marketing promotion fits into. So how did we depict that scene or slide? And you'll notice that we designed a scene with an image. We designed it by putting words on top of there. And so these things come on in rapid succession. Now, it will be instructive for you to just see how this scene was designed to play out inside the video software. As was said, every animation creation software is going to be a little different, but you want to see how this particular scene was designed with that slide. So we're just going to play this scribe.
What's needed for you to understand is the basic framework for marketing. Whether a company is doing internet marketing or television commercials, there is a certain structure that all successful marketing and
So once again, you can see that there is a lot of flexibility in terms of how you can design each particular scene. But what's most important is that you have a frame of reference and that you're only designing one scene at a time. You should have already gathered your assets, so you should have already thought through your keywords. You already have the images that you're going to look to present. And so now all that you'll need to do is to go to your video software with the images and place them inside so that you can begin to work with the timing. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.